Hey everybody, Robert here, and I wanted to show you something kind of cool. I'm going to open up my Facebook app, and I am going to go ahead and put on a post. And we are going to go back, and I want to show you something here. Let's click on Nurturing. And go ahead and put that in, and we're going to post it. Okay, now I want to show you how I did that. What I did is I added a keyboard into my apps, or into the whole iPad in general, and I'm going to show you where I go to do that. You go to your settings and you go to general, and then you tap on the keyboard, which we're going to put right in the middle of the screen. We're going to tap on keyboard, and up at the very top you're going to tap on keyboards. Now I have 3 that are installed already. The very top one is the one that is there by default, but as you can see I have 2 others. I have the Bible one and I have Emoji Maker one that is installed. Now these access apps that enable a separate keyboard to be there. Now you have to have these apps installed on your iPad. Now I have the Holy Bible app, and what you have to do to be able to get full function of what you just saw is you have to allow full access. The same way with any other apps. To be able to get the full features, you have to allow the full functionality. And let me show you what it's going to look like if you go ahead and tap on it, because this is not set up by default. If I tap on allow full access, you are going to get this warning pop up, and you have to decide for yourself if allowing full access is okay if this type of information gets out. And for me, I'm no one special. It's not a big deal. If people understand or if people know this stuff, that's there. But I am not going to be using this particular app to transmit my credit card information or anything like that. Basically, the Bible app I'm going to be using to do verses on there based off of moods, that type of thing, which I think is pretty darn cool. So let's go back into this and show you what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on that, and by default it goes on the last keyboard that you use. Now I can go back and tap on the ABC, and I have the functioning keyboard as you would see on your regular thing. It looks a little different, but it's there. But if I tap on this Bible off to the left of the space bar, let's go back and get into the emojis. I can go ahead and find scriptures related to these different categories: playful, successful, value, trusting, all of these different things. And if I wanted to get out of this keyboard, if I didn't want to use it anymore, all I have to do is tap on the little globe in the lower left hand corner, and this is my emoji keyboard, but this is the regular keyboard by default, which is what we usually see. And then of course if I wanted to get back into it, I could go into the emoji keyboard and just go through it in that way. But I just wanted to show you what is there. And with the Bible, the Holy Bible app, you can start typing a book name. Let's go ahead and type Genesis, G-E-N-E. Okay, and Genesis, you tap on that and type a chapter number. Let's go ahead and tap on 6 and type a colon. And yes, that was my fault. I need to know what a colon is. Let's go ahead and do that. Of course, I believe, yep, there we are. Type on a colon, type a verse number. Let's go through 5 and tap look up. Then the Lord saw the wickedness of man, so it's there. That's pretty darn cool. Now I'm going to show you, I'm not going to post this simply because I don't want to at this time, but I'm going to show you where the Bible app is and what to look for. So I'm going to go on my theology, and it is the Holy Bible app. And for any Christian that has a mobile device, and of course this is on both the iOS and Android marketplace, I would suggest getting the Holy Bible app. It is by YouVersion. It is a really good app to have. You go through your book, chapter, and verse lookup. You can also get into your history, which is where I have gone. You can get into your different versions that are on here. There is a lot here. You have also getting back into your menu. You have all of the things that are here, all of the things that I have saved, and other people's within the network, should you choose to go into a network here. You also have the ability to be able to change your text size, whether you want night viewing or day viewing, changing your font size. You also have the ability to be able to search up, and of course your keyboard pops up there. And like I said, the keyboard is on your iPad specific, and you can do a version to do parallel reading on all of this. And it's really a very, very cool thing. Got verse highlights. You can create an image, you can compare, you can bookmark, but you can do all of the different things that you can do. And really, it is an app that is well worth your time in downloading, and it also gives you a pretty darn cool keyboard that you can use throughout your iPad, iPhone, as well as Android operating systems, but we're specific towards iPad here. And I just wanted to let you know and show you that it's there. It's a pretty darn cool thing, and I hope you enjoyed it. Later.